microphone will pass around, and when the music stops, then that person holding the microphone will be big a sentence, which she or he answer that sentence of fake or is it a fake or credible? Now let's start our game. You will use the microphone class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start now. Stop. Okay, read a sentence. Stand up.
Taylor Swift will have a concert series at Food City.
Yes, very good. That is fake. Now let's continue. Stop. Now pick a statement.
It announced the opening date of
Is it
classes.
fake or credible?
Credible.
Yes, fantastic. Now let's continue. This is the last one. Go.
Why is Ganda arrested yesterday?
Fake or credible?
Fake.
That's correct. Delicious. All right. Now, I have here two pictures. Now I will divide you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. All you have to do is to analyze the picture, whether this picture is credible and fake. And you need to explain. I will select only one representative. This is for you and this is for you. Now I will count 10, only 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. How about this side? What? Yes, very good. This is fake because this is only created by an AI and there are no evidence or proof. Very good. You're delicious. How about this side?
This picture is credible
What?
because it gives opinions by facts.
Yes, this is a credible picture because it has an author and exactly date and it shows how many evidence or proof. So this is credible news. Thank you everyone. And now, do you have any idea for our topic for today? Oh, I see someone raising their hands. Please Paimutang.
It's all about fake news.
Yes, exactly. Now, this day we will talk about identifying fake news versus credible news sources. To elaborate and to expand your knowledge about the credible and fake news, may I call on Miss Jim Jamirotos to discuss the credible news source. Thank you, everyone. Sorry for that, may I call on Miss Gilbero to talk about the credible news source.
Fake news is false or misleading information that is made to look like real news. It is often to trick people, push a certain opinion, and get attention.
Thank you for that, Mr. Maro. So fake news is made people mislead or gets attention. It uses emotional or shocking words and has no reliable source or real proof. So this is the example of fake news. So this post about
Since you already done discussing about fake news, now let's proceed to credible news. So, but before that, may I ask Ms. Alvarez, do you have any idea of what is credible news?
Credible news is fact-based and verified.
All right, that's correct. Thank you very much. And now, everyone, can you read the definition of credible news?
Credible news is trustworthy and credible. It is real information that gives reliable sources and evidence.
So when we say credible news, it gives accurate information. It comes from trusted source, include authors, date, and is based and verified facts. And now I have the example to show you. Look at this picture. Said the Blackpink is the biggest pop band in the world. A first for South Korea. This picture is credible news because it presents Blackpink officially, includes authors, dates, and the information can be based on reliable source. Now, Mr. Daeg, based on my discussion earlier, do you have any idea about credible news? Well, a credible news source is one that is verified information, not the organization which we provide, nor the reliable source. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Daeg, and thank you for listening, guys.
Now, to expand your knowledge about credible and news source, when we say credible, yes, it is a fact. It's more likely on more proof and it has an author and exactly date that release. While the fake news, it has no proof and it was only edited by an AI and only posted on social media. Let me ask you something. Ms. Salinas, can you repeat what I'm saying, what's all about, what is credible news? Yes, very good. That is a fact. When we say fake news, can you repeat? Yes, very good. So that is credible and fake news. Now, let's play another game. So this game called Pinoy Penyo. You already know what's that? Yes. Yes. I will group you into 4 groups. So this would be the group 1. And this will be the group 2. And this will be the group 3. And this will be the group 4. Now I will select one representative each group. And you will come here in front to participate in this game. I will give you a one word and the rest of your teammates will only answer maybe, yes or no when the representative asks what is the word it is. Now, let's start. May I select here Miss Malan. Go. Come here in front and your teammates will guess the word that I give. And your score will matter on how you quickly answer this question, the given sentence or word. You will say, is it a human? Is it a thing? Or it is a place? Now, let's start. Only 10 seconds to guess the word. Now let's begin. Do you know how to clap Korean clap? No! This is the way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next group. Miss Paimuta. Come here, come. Go!
Is it a word?
Yeah.
News?
Yes.
Very good, fantastic. Now, let's have the last group. Raise. Go! Working? Yes. Now, guys, you already know what is the fake and credible news source is. Now, let's have, I will show you a video presentation and you will determine whether it is fake or credible. Now, please watch everyone. Now, is it fake that is it true that Taylor Swift has an errand to here in the Philippines?
No.
For you, Miss Sabanal, is it fake or credible that Taylor Swift has an errand to here in the Philippines? Yes, that's right. That is fake news source. Now let's have another video. Now, based on the news on the video that the new class has opened on June 8, is it credible or fake?
Credible.
Yes, that's right. It's credible. Now, for my last questions, Miss Guy Longson, can you give a little insight about credible and differentiate the credible and fake news?
Credible news is that it is reliable and based on truth. Fake news doesn't have sources or science.
Yes, that's good, everyone. Now, let's have an assignment. So all you have to do, each of you search, and we will have an oral presentation tomorrow. So give me one example of fake news and one example of credible news, and you will explain it tomorrow. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening.